Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Tuesday, April 21st, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed slightly lower, with the S&P 500 down approximately 0.2%, Nasdaq slipping approximately 0.3%, and the Dow Jones ending marginally negative as the recent rally paused after record highs. The decline was driven by renewed U.S.-Iran tensions and a sharp spike in crude oil prices after disruptions around the Strait of Hormuz raised supply concerns and increased market volatility. Asian markets are trading mixed to higher, with the Nikkei and Kospi gaining over 1% each, while the Hang Seng too showed moderate gains. Upside for now is capped by a spike in crude oil prices, a soft close on Wall Street, and geopolitical uncertainty, due to which most markets are trading cautiously with mild optimism after recent gains. GIFT Nifty Futures, as of 8 a.m., was trading at 24,400, thereby indicating a flat to positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices have surged as renewed tensions between the U.S. and Iran and disruptions around the Strait of Hormuz intensified supply concerns, keeping energy markets highly volatile. Gold prices are trading higher, supported by strong safe haven demand amid escalating geopolitical risks and rising market uncertainty, although gains remain limited due to still resilient global equities. Vedanta has set May 1, 2026, as the effective and record date for its long-awaited demerger, marking a key step in splitting its businesses into separate listed entities. Meanwhile, in the Jaiprakash Associates insolvency case, the company may have revised its bid after gaining visibility into its evaluation position. PNB Housing Finance reported a strong Q4 performance, with net profit rising 19% year-on-year to 656 crore rupees. Net interest income also improved, reflecting steady growth in its lending business. TVS Motor is expanding globally by appointing a new distributor in Africa to strengthen its sales and service network. The company has also partnered with Hyundai Motor Company to develop electric three-wheelers, boosting its EV ambitions. Following the cautiously optimistic tone set by a mixed to positive opening seen in the Asian markets, Nifty 2 is expected to open with a slight positive bias. Crude prices will once again decide the direction of trade, as it has once again moved higher, which may cap gains and lead to range-bound trading once again. Supports will be at 24,180, followed by 23,910, while resistances will be at 24,430, followed by 24,660. Sharp spike in crude oil prices due to renewed U.S.-Iran tensions and Strait of Hormuz disruptions, fragile geopolitical situation, elevated market valuations after recent rally, FII outflows, inflation risks from rising energy costs, and global risk-off sentiment after a weak U.S. close could keep volatility high. Strong underlying global momentum with U.S. indices still near record highs, ongoing earnings season optimism, resilient domestic macros, continued DII support, and potential easing in geopolitical tensions if talks resume may support market stability and selective upside. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 1,060 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 2,967 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on April 21, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.